What's good is the Valiant Sense coming at you once again with another fragrance review. Appreciate all of my subscribers. Couldn't do it without you. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So I appreciate each and every one of you who are already subscribed. And if you're not subscribed, whether you want to or not, I do appreciate your viewership. But we are trying to get to that 1,000. So I'd appreciate your support. Doesn't happen without you. We are getting to the third and final installment of this mini series from the House of Penhaligons. We have already done Halfeti, we've done Halfeti Cedar, and now it is time for the dark big boy. Of course, they're in this box and then they come individually packaged. So we are done with the box. And here it is. I'll get the focus. Halfeti Leather. Halfeti Leather from the House of Penhaligons. So if you watched the two previous videos, you know that these do not come in a spray bottle. So I've got to transfer over. So bear with me. There we go. Tassel got in the way with cedar. Got all wet. I'm going to make sure it doesn't here. This is a very sizable sample, I would say, definitely. Very thankful for this. Almost there. All right, there we go. It's again, Halfeti Leather. Look at that. That is going to last for a little while. Alrighty. And we are not using it. Cap on there. All right. So as we get into the main accords, Halfeti Leather, we've got warm, spicy, leather, smoky, very intrigued by this, fresh, spicy, woody, fruity, oud, animalic, amber, and balsamic. And for the note breakdown, we've got top notes of plum and cardamom. I am really curious to see how that goes on the skin. Smelled it on paper, but I'm not going to hold my judgment to just that. Got to get it on the skin. Top notes: plum, cardamom, lavender, citruses, bergamot, and green notes. Hoping the green notes don't play too much of a role. Middle notes: cinnamon, rose, nutmeg, cumin, violet, and jasmine. Base notes are leather, oud, incense, cedar, and patchouli. There's a reason why I held this one to the last, because I'm hoping that this one will be the best. Not to say that I didn't like the other two. I definitely enjoyed the other two, but you have to trust me here. One more. All right. Can you see it? All right. All right, we'll put that down. And we'll hold up the sampler. That's where it came from. Okay, off the top, getting cardamom and lavender. Not really getting the plum. Not getting the green notes, which I'm fine with. Don't know that I'm getting bergamot. Maybe some plum trying to peek through. But for right now, mostly it's cardamom and lavender. Still very good. Very pleasant. Definitely, this is going out dressed up. Not dressed down, not casual. This is going out dressed up. I personally wouldn't wear this for any other occasion. Whether there's food or not, that doesn't matter, I don't think, as long as you're dressed up. This is suit and tie. This is professional. This is business. And this is also casual setting or a fun setting atmosphere, but still dressed up. So any type of celebration, any type of cordial or formal event. Definitely. Cardamom, lavender. Again, the plum is peeking through a little bit. And next, with that mid is starting to come up early, is some rose. I'm getting a little bit of rose there. Not getting cinnamon. Getting some nutmeg. Not getting cumin yet, violet or jasmine yet, and we are definitely not down to the base just yet. But again, just when I'm getting cardamom, lavender, rose, nutmeg, I'm enjoying this. Definitely, like I said, dressed up, going out. That's it. I wouldn't wear this for anything else. And Halfeti leather is full bottle worthy in my opinion. Again, got to get a full samples wearing. Definitely will be enjoying that amount of that sample that I have over multiple uses, multiple times, if you will. Of course, I'm not going to use that whole sample all in one occasion. So I don't think my opinion is going to change too much because this is really good. This is full bottle worthy. So all three of these are full bottle worthy in my opinion. Again, 250 and up, depending on what size you get and where you get them from. Definitely don't break the bank. Do it if you can afford it. That's what I always preach. But again, I do believe this is full bottle worthy. From the house of Penhaligons, this is Halfeti leather. Appreciate all of my subscribers. Please continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.